Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL gi official signa ngarang su tongan ba mafum singda red chathabada Mei khazana thiramdaba consumer ani Mei Kakthatkhre loinana Mei Hurallamba Thalamba IED Division 1 area dagi Meeoi ama IED Division 3 area dagi Meeoi mari punna Meeoi manga phagatkre hairi makhata na Mei lana sizinaba sing phagatpagi thabak chathakhigani haina MSPDCL gi maikai dagi thadorpa cherol amana khanghalakli
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding.
Facilities features are morning and evening tuitions for all subjects, daycare schedule from morning to evening, strict supervision and CCTV surveillance, audio-visual and smart classes, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, Thangta, Mukna and Manipuri Jagoi, guest teachers and counseling sessions, compulsory of sports, arts and culture, online and e-learning classes during the long vacation, general strike and pandemic, facilities of shooting sports, football, gym, fitness, yoga and aerobic, personality development classes. IPS, a government recognized and affiliated school to BOSIM and COSIM, a national and international awarded school, top choice for your child's career.